Good morning, student. Welcome here in your social science class. As you all of you know that we are discussing our chapter number 5 from your civics, judiciary. Student, this is your part 3 of the chapter. In this video, student, at last I will give some question answer also, which you have to do in your civics notebook. Fine. Now let's start our video with topic, does everyone have access to the court? So in principle, all citizens of India, yes, every citizen, either male, either female, young, old, adult, everyone, rich, poor, yes. So we are talking here about the all citizens of India can access the court in this country. So you can say that and even this implies that every citizen has a right to justice through the courts also. Student, as you read earlier also, the court play a very significant, yes, so our court system, it plays a very important and significant role in protecting our fundamental rights. If any citizen believes that their rights are being violated, then what? Yes, they can approach the court for justice to be done. So, but what about the real scenario? So, if we talk about the real thing, so while the courts are available for all, but in reality, access to court has always been difficult for a vast majority of the poor in India. So as well, if you know about it, if we talk about the poor person, बेटा उनके लिए कितना डिफ़िकल्ट है. आपको पता है कि काफ़ी मतलब इन्वॉल्व होता है इसमें पेपर वर्क, लीगल प्रोसीजर्स, यू कैन से दैट, एंड इट वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑल्सो, मनी एंड पेपर वर्क ऑल्सो, सो एज वेल एज टेक अप अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. तो एक पुअर पर्सन जो एक डेली वेजेस पे वर्क कर रहा है, वो अपना वर्क छोड़ के अगर कोर्ट वगैरह में इन्वॉल्व होगा, सो व्हाट अबाउट द फैमिली, उसकी फैमिली का क्या होगा? ओके, इवन फॉर अ पुअर पर्सन हु कैन नॉट रीड, you can say that. So that's why for a poor person who cannot read and whose family depends on a daily wage means student कि daily work करते हैं and they will get the daily income according to their work. So for a poor person who cannot even read and whose family depend on a daily wage, so the idea of going to the court to get justice often seems remote. So that's why in response, you can say that in response to this, the Supreme Court in the early 1980s, so to address the issue, okay, so to address the issue, Supreme Court and when in 1980s devised the mechanism of public interest litigation. But yes, public interest litigation, and in short form you can say that PIL, that is PIL. So devise a mechanism of public interest litigation or PIL to increase access to justice. Fine. So it allow, here as you can see that public, so it allow any individual organization to file a PIL in the High Court even or the Supreme Court also on behalf of those whose rights were being violated. So if we talk about the legal process, so the legal process was greatly simplified and even a letter or telegram addressed to the Supreme Court or the High Court could be treated as a PIL. In the early years, PIL was used to secure justice on a large number of issues such as rescuing bonded laborers from inhuman work condition and securing the release of prisoners in Bihar also. Okay. So here as you can see two things. The first one, rescue bonded laborers from inhuman work condition. काफी conditions very harsh होती है for the worker, those who will get the daily wages and or according to the monthly, it's depend upon the situation. And what harsh condition होती है बेटा? And what about and securing the release of prisoner also. Okay, in Bihar, who had been kept in jail even after their punishment term was complete, etc. Sometime क्या होता है कि punishment की term तो complete हो गई, but still वो किस में है? अभी yes, jail में है, kept in the jail. So next thing, and the third one you must know, even in earlier class also, midday meal in school. Yes, provision of midday meal in school. So did you know that the midday meal that children now receive in government and government aided school is because of a pill? Yes. So according to the midday meal school, government provide a lunch, midday meal lunch to the children. Okay. So student, so for the common person, you can say that other things. If we talk for the common person, access to court is access to justice. One important thing you must know, the court exercise a crucial role in interpreting the fundamental rights of citizen. And even you saw in the case also, that case under the interactive, which article? Article 21. Which article? Article 21. So the courts interpreted under Article 21 of the Constitution on the right to life to include the right to food. Yes, right to life and right to food also. They therefore ordered, okay, under this, so they therefore ordered to state taken certain steps to provide food for including the midday meal scheme. After this, now we will study about the one incident case also, Olga Talley's judgment. So in 1985, which year? Yes, in 1985, so Olga Talley's versus Bombay Municipal Corporation. So according to the slum area of Mumbai, okay, which one? Yes, slum areas. जो slum areas है मुंबई के, slum dweller you can say that. So 1985, Olga Talley versus Bombay Municipal Corporation tried to protect the livelihoods of slum dwellers who lived in the slum area of Mumbai. So this judgment established the right to livelihood as a part of right of life, which is a fundamental right, okay, under the Article 21, right of life, okay, and even it includes the right to food also, and under which is a fundamental right, okay. So even you can say that justice delayed, injustice denied. So another issue that affects the common person access to justice is in inordinately long number of years that court take to hear a case. Sometime beta, you can say that it takes a long period of time also. Sometime in some condition also, in some cases also, it takes even 10 years. even 20 years also. बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो जाता है बेटा कि जस्टिस हम कह सकते हैं डिलेड हो रहा है, मिलेगा when कभी कभी 10 years हो जाते हैं, कभी कभी 20 years हो जाते हैं, इतना लॉन्ग टाइम भी हो जाता है. ओके, so the strength of judge in comparison to the number of litigation cases is abnormally low. It is low, sorry बेटा, बहुत कम है. Okay, so the strength of judgment in comparison to the number of litigation cases is abnormally low. So this leads to delay in justice. Obviously बात है, cases बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. And what about the strength of judge? Yes, strength of judge जो है बहुत कम है. So it leads to delay in justice. Fine. So student, after this conclusion, at last, this is very nice and important chapter. So other things also, you can just go to the page number 63, number of judges in India. So take a look at that table also. So where the Supreme Court sanction strength is 31, working strength 28, and then vacancy 3. Then what about the High Court? Yes, 1079 is sanction strength. Okay, number of judges I am talking here. And what about the working strength is 645. And what about the vacancies? Vacancy is 434. Now let's see the third one, district and subordinate court. If we talk about the number of judges in India, sanction strength is 22,644. Okay, and what about the working strength? 17,509, and vacancy is 5,135. This table is given in your page number 63 in your civics book. So student, now at last just look at the conclusion, you can say that. However, all in all, Okay. However, all in all, Indian judiciary has played a crucial role in democratic India. As you all, if you know that India is a democratic country. Okay. So it has been serving as a check of the powers of the executive and the legislature also. Okay. While the protecting the fundamental rights of its citizens. Yes. Now students, just look at here, glossary also given. So take look at here, accused. This refers to the court declaring that a person is not guilty of crime which she was tried for by the court. Fine. Second one, to appeal. This refers to a petition filed before a higher court to hear a case that has already been decided by a lower court. What about the compensation? If we talk about the compensation, this refers to money. Which thing? Yes, money given to make amends for an injury. Any injury or loss के लिए money दी जाए तो eviction. It refers to the removal of person from land, home that they are currently living in. Violation, as all of you know, it refers to both to the act of breaking a law. Yes, breaking which thing? Breaking a law, as well as the breach of infringement of fundamental rights. Now student, just look at here some question answer which you have to do in your civics notebook. Just look at here, these are the question. Here the question, just look at here these question. Why the Supreme Court is called the guardian of the Constitution? Then why is judiciary important? Look at this question. Describe the function of judiciary, or you can say that what is the role of the judiciary. So I have already explained this: dispute resolution, judicial review, upholding the law and enforcing fundamental rights. After this question you have to do: how is independence of judiciary implemented, or what is an independent judiciary? So here the answer point wise you have to do. Then look at the these question also. Describe the structure of court in India. As you all of you know about the three things. There are different level of court in our country India: subordinate or district courts, then high courts, then Supreme Court. After this question: describe different branches of legal system. Yes, the first one is criminal law and the second one is civil law. Okay, so these question you have to do in your notebook. And one more question also you have to do. Just go to your page number 64. Which page number? Just go to your page number 64 in your NCERT book. So the question given, question number 5. Which question? Question number 5. Why do you think the introduction of public interest litigation, that is PIL, P-I-L. Okay. So why do you think the introduction of the public interest litigation in the 1980s is a significant step in ensuring access to justice for all? You have to do that question also, question number 5, and which is given in your book. So student, now the chapter number 5 judiciary is completed. In next video we will start history chapter. So till now, thank you all of you. Have a nice day ahead.